Hello everyone, welcome to self-learning. Today we are going to learn logical operator. Logical operators are used to check more than one condition. If you have a more than one condition in an expression, then you need to use logical operators. Okay, let's talk about logical operators types. And is used when both conditions need to be true for the overall expression to be true. Otherwise, it skips. For example, let's talk about a real-life example, which is logging page. Here, I'm going to assign my name and password. Then you will see how the login page logic is done by a logical operator. Okay, here let's create a variable name as name equal to say sub inside the string, which is the quotes. Double quotes are single quotes. Then put password as my variable name. Password equal to say 1234. Then you need to give two inputs. Say username as my variable name equal to input. Then inside it, double quotes, enter your name like this. Then say password is the password. The p is must be in caps because we already used it. Python is a case sensitive programming language. Then that cast into int, wait, int input, enter the password. Okay, then I'm going to use conditional execution, which is x. Then username equal to name, and and is an logical operator. You can see the and keyword is in the orange letter, is in orange color. Okay, then the password p caps equal to password like this, then colon at the end of statement, then print welcome to login page like this. Otherwise, say like this, invalid username or password like this. Okay, then print, you will see, enter your name, say my name is Saf like this, Saf, and the password is 1234, and it will print welcome to login page. Okay, let's run it. I just forgot my username, so I just put user as my username. Then the password I not forget, I know that 1234 the password. It's a invalid username or password. Why? And is used when both the condition must be true. Okay, here the will and is used when both condition need to be true for the overall and expression to be true. Otherwise, skip. Here, username and then password must be true. Then it will print welcome to login page. Otherwise, it will print invalid username or password. Okay, let's move to R. R is used when at least one of the conditions need to be true for the overall expression to be true. Otherwise, it's skip. Okay, to do this, let's copy this code from here. Say like this, copy, and before copying, we need to put multi-line comment like this here and here too. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then let's paste this code here, and I need to add some more stuff like say print keep one correct input input to login like this. Then here you need to remove and put R. R is used when at least one of the condition need to be true for overall expression. Here, if the username get corrected, if the username equal to name, then it will print welcome to login page, or password equal to password, then it will print password welcome to login page. Otherwise, it will print invalid username or password. Okay, let's see. Enter your name. I forgot my username, so just type user, and then password is I remember 1234, and it will print welcome to login page. Okay, say I know the name, I know the username Saf, and I forgot the password. Say 12344321, and it will print welcome to login page. What if I give both are wrong? For example, say username user, password is 4321, invalid username or password. Okay, let's move to the last type of logical operators, which is not. Not is used to neglect the Boolean values of condition. It returns true if the condition is false, and false if the condition is true. For example, here you can see print not true like this, not true, then it will print false. And if you print like this not false, then it will print like this false, false, it will print true. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends. Thank you.